What is it about new places that attracts us to them? We thirst to wander, explore, and discover. What drives us to fly around the world, to touch a wall? To find our likes and our dislikes. It's in our veins. It's human nature that drives us farther, that pushes us higher, that shows us who we are and breaks us free. Once you've touched the world, you've changed yours forever. It's a craving that exists in all of us, which leaves you with only one option. You pick a place.
Wow, that looks amazing.
You buy a ticket.
Can I book a one-way ticket to Thailand, please?
You pack a bag. You make a plan. And you go again.